Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Tahoe, stock number 17K135A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome wheels, those are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they are wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. Your second row seats are heated seats, and you do have a rear-facing entertainment center as well. You have a sunroof and a cargo rack up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats. You can fold them down, as you can see, and actually remove them as well for additional storage room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated and cooled seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Four-wheel drive, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your navigation. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tahoe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.